So welcome you all. In this video, I will be explaining about the various multiple choice type questions that were asked in the botany examination of annual higher secondary examination 2023 for ex-regular students. So let us start. The first question was mark the correct statement about Bacillus thuringiensis, and the options were gram-positive bacterium. In transgenic cotton, entire bacterium is incorporated, gram-negative bacterium. And the fourth one was the BT brinjal is cultivated in India. So the answer will be gram-positive bacterium. Second question. The second question was, what is the periodic departure and return of organisms to its habitat called? The options were natality, immigration, mortality, migration. So obviously the answer is migration. Then the third question was, which mangrove ecosystem has been declared as national park? The options were your Corbett, Similipal, Bhitarkanika and Manas. So the answer is very easy one, that is Bhitarkanika. Then third question was, which one is the fusion product of haploid gametes? So the options were zoospore, endosperm, zygote, then oosphere. So obviously the answer is zygote. Then the fifth question was, what is the point of attachment between main body of the ovule and funiculus called? So the options were raphe, micropyle, chalaza, then hilum. So obviously the answer is hilum. The sixth question was, which is not the character of an anemophilous flower? So options were small and inconspicuous pollen, pollens produced in large number, light and dry pollen, then colored, showy and large flowers. You know what anemophilous flowers are? That means the flowers where pollination takes place with the help of wind. So obviously all of these, out of these four characters, three are the correct one, and the C, option C, that is the presence of colored, showy and large flowers, is the wrong character of an anemophilous flower. Okay. Now next question. What is the term used for the phenomenon of single gene contributing to multiple phenotypic traits? So the options are linkage, polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy, then dominance. So if a single gene is controlling multiple phenotypic traits, then that phenomenon is called pleiotropy. Okay. So answer is pleiotropy. Then the next question is, in which seed endosperms are totally absent? Options were orchids, maize, coffee, coconut, and the answer is orchids. The ninth question was, which is a purine base? Okay, you know bases, nitrogenous bases are of two types, purine and pyrimidines. So options were uracil, thiamine, cytosine and guanine. The answer is guanine. Then the number 10 question was, indicate the wrong statement about genome. Options were a haploid set of chromosomes forms a genome. All genomes have diploid chromosomes. Genomes are constituted of DNA. Then genomes contain all information needed to build and maintain an organism. So the option B, that is all genomes have diploid chromosomes, it is the wrong statement about genome. Next question. When organisms live obligately associated with mutual benefit, it is called? The options were parasitism, symbiosis, competition, saprophytism. So option C is the correct one, that is symbiosis. Now next question is, Parthenium is a or an invasive alien species, indigenous grass, medicinal herb, parasite used in pest control? The answer is option A, that is invasive alien species. So next question is, in which plant calyx is persistent? The options are your mustard, brinjal, radish, then last one is turnip. So answer is brinjal. Then the next question is, the first cell of female gametophytic generation is, options are pollen grain, megaspore, megaspore mother cell, then microspore. So here the first cell of female gametophytic generation is megaspore. So option B is the correct one. The next question, 3' end of tRNA terminates with dash. Okay, fill in the blanks. So the 3' end of the tRNA, it terminates with what? The options were CUU, CCA, CAC, then CUG. Option B is the correct one, that is CCA. So 3' end of tRNA terminates with the sequence CCA. Then next question is, when F1 hybrid capital T small t is crossed with recessive trait small t, then percentage of phenotypic dominant will be dash. Options were 25%, 50%, 75%, 100. So option B 50 is the right one. Okay, if you do it, capital T small t, when it is crossed with small t, you will get capital T small t, then your capital T small t, then small t small t small t small t. Okay, that means 50% of individuals were having the dominant character and 50% of individuals would be having the recessive character. You can see that here the F1 hybrid is crossed with a double recessive parent, isn't it? So it can be a test cross, isn't it? So the next question is, the example of free living saprophytic and an aerobic nitrogen fixer is, options are phosphobacteria, azotobacter, rhizobium, then nostoc. So the answer is option B, that is your azotobacter. Okay, so it concludes the your answers to the recently concluded annual higher secondary examination 2023 for ex-regular students. Thank you.